सोनसड्या वयल्या कोयराच्या वासाक लागून रायच्या लोकांक त्रास जातालो। साबार कागाळी करून लेगीत कोणेच तांचे म्हणणे आयकून घेवंक ना अशें कुडतरेचो अपक्ष आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान शुक्रारा सोनसड्यार वचून परिस्थितीचो नियाळ घेताना सांगले। निमाणे कडेन आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांक घेवन सोनसड्याची पळोवणी केली, तशेंच संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांक कोयराचेर उपाय येवजण काडपाची सुचोवणी केली।
Inspection I get because I started receiving complaints from people from Raya, especially Bagpad area, saying that the smell has increased these days. It is a fact, smell has increased because I am a person who roams on bikes. So I found that it is a genuine case and I went and checked. So today I called for an inspection and told the CEO. I studied the matter and they are removing RPF from downside and the top side. So I told them the area of operation, say 40-50 meters wherever they are working, spray it with that chemical so that the smell is not there, so that when you spray it, the smell goes. They are not using any chemical, so I think that will solve the problem. With this, I think the issue should be solved, and I will have a detailed meeting of how Sonsodo dumped and what is the position, what is to be done to clear it. A simple reason that I have assured my people that this time we want to have a solution there.